Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to link your Call of Duty Mobile account to your Facebook. So the first, if you have a guest account, click the guest account and then confirm. Wait the loading. So now you are in home page and then click the link to social account and click the link to social account, and this is you can link to Garena or Facebook. So I click the Facebook account if you have Facebook account. So wait the load. So continue. So your account already linked. You can synchronize your save game or saving progress via Facebook in case your account is lost. Click OK. So that's all for today. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget, click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.